right, it's 12. So let's get started. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lincoln Brady here with Mobile Solutions and with Small Purchase Big Help. It's great to have you all, and let's get started with our next Lunch and Learn webinar. Today we will be talking about creating digital offers and basically creating offers that will help you grow your bottom line and connect with your potential customers in a much more efficient and easier way. I hope you can see my screen. What I did, I opened up our app dashboard, which is, we would like to show you a little bit behind the, what's going on behind the scenes when you submit your offers to us through the mobile app, Small Purchase Big Help. And we'd like to show you what we do to help you not only grow your bottom line, but connect with all the local community and let them know what you have going on in your store with your offers, if you've created new online offers, how we actually link up everything that you provide to us, to your phone numbers, URL links, and all that stuff. So you feel a little bit more comfortable about providing us with your information, that it's actually going into, it's housed in a safe place and it's not misused for anything other than helping you grow and helping you recover from the shutdown. So here is the dashboard, and let's go into, this is not anything that you will have access to, but I will show you different screens so you really have an idea of what we do here with Small Purchase Big Help. All the offers that you guys send to us are set up based on a zip code. And we wanted to make it really easy for potential customers to support their favorite business owners in their local area. Therefore, everything here that you see on the mobile app, if you happen to have your phone with you right now, why don't you go ahead and open up the app and see the difference of what it looks like on the desktop in our dashboard versus the actual app. We can click on the app preview, but this is something what you should be seeing on your phone, right? So when customers are looking for a business that they would like to support, they click on a respective zip code, and that's when they find all the offers and business owners that are currently advertising with us. You as a business owner know that, and hopefully you know already by now, that all this advertising is done for free. And there is really nothing that we want from you except for knowing all the details, hopefully knowing all the images and URL links and phone numbers that we need to link your landing page with. And once we create your offer and it's published and it's live on our Instagram page and Facebook page, that you actually go and like it, comment on it, and forward it. It's a reciprocal kind of business where we help you to bridge the gap. We help you to create a landing page that you may not be able to do yourself because you don't have the right tools. And you help us by sharing all this information with your customers and your business friends. So this way we can keep this app going, we can increase traffic, and we can really help everyone in the local community to feel supported, to feel like their information is out there. So here is the shop by zip code information, and let's go into one of the offers so I can show you how everything is basically done. Let's open up, for example, Celebration, Florida. We have a cleaning company. This cleaning company, it's called Bright and Clean LLC. So basically what they did, they provided us with all of the all of their specials that they have actively going on right now. And you can see that they've done an amazing job creating even some YouTube information. So we post it all on here. And their current offer that they put on the app, buy one, get one 50% off. So when a business owner goes into our app and clicks on the Biz Entry that we always advertise and tell you about, here, the Biz Entry button, if it's something that you're about to do right now, it is a form that's really self-explanatory, and you follow it exactly the way it was designed. So the name of the business, type of the business, your name, and you keep going all the way down so that you provide us with all the necessary information. Business phone number, business email address, your business website, the title of your offer, so we can actually put it right here. The title of the offer goes right into, if we go back If we go back here, if I step out of it, the business offer is the COVID-19 commercial cleaning. That's the offer name. When I open it up, then I get all the details that are actually listed on the form right here. So we go into small purchase offer price and details. And this is when you go in the detail of what it is that you're offering, how your customers can redeem this offer, anything and everything that's really pertinent for someone to complete the purchase. So this way we don't have to be calling you, we don't have to be emailing you, we don't have to be stalking your website, trying to understand what it is that you're selling, and it makes the process of us creating your landing page much faster. Your zip code is really important because this way we know exactly where you would like your offer to be, and your address as well. So if you have an online offer, you do not have to worry about the address, but if you do have a store that you want people to come and visit, if you're a restaurant, if you're a retail shop, this is where you enter all this information so we can link it properly. And then you guys, don't forget to add your logo, any brand material that will help us identify who you are and help us create a landing page that is fully branded, and a landing page that your customers, whether new or repeat customers, will be able to relate to. And then the permission to publish, obviously from legal standpoint, we need to have that. And then you click submit. It is really that simple. There's nothing else that you need to do. There are no payment fees. There's absolutely no caveat to anything that you will be doing through the Biz Entry, because once we receive it, we design the offer like we did right here for Bright and Clean, and we link it properly with all the information that we've received. So this one, I think if I go into click here and if we look at the link, this one was linked to an online offer. So the online offer, I will actually set it up as an open in a new tab. The online offer goes straight into, if someone clicks on this button right here, they will be redirected to an online offer. Customers do not pay for anything on our app. The app is totally free for them as well. And we don't take any commissions or percentages from any sales. This service is really targeted for you to have that additional resource and exposure so customers can find you and they can connect with you and contact you. Let's look at another offer. Let's go and click out of this one and see what else we have here. And Winter Garden, what do we have going on in Winter Garden? All right, we have 3 beautiful offers. Okay, Driftwood Market. These guys have been wonderful. They've been advertising with us pretty much every single month. And so let's see what they have going on. I think we just received their offer for Father's Day. Gift certificates, I think this offer that was provided to us was linked directly to an online offer. That is correct. Let's see what we have going on here. Call now. If you click on this link, we should be able to see a phone number. You see, so again, you can connect your offers to either a phone number, email, or any URL link, which basically creates your offer on our app. It turns it into a mini landing page. And again, if you go into the app preview, and this is the Biz Entry, you decide right in here in the price and offer details, you decide what you want this offer to be and how you would like it to be linked. So you have to let us know if you prefer your offer to be linked to a phone number or to a specific email address, to a website, or if you have a URL link that should be made active with this page. But if we go back, for example, let's go out of here. Let's go back into the shop tab. Oh yeah, there we go. $30 for first vet service. Oh, that's where we took our little kitten, rescue kitten. Wonderful ladies, absolutely amazing. And they have this landing page going on here, so you can schedule an appointment directly from the app. It's a $30 patient exam. That's the only one they have. What else do we have going on? Oh, Dr. Danita, she has her own blog going on. So she basically asked us if we can link her landing page to her blog, which we did. And here you should be able to see that it actually redirects people to her Instagram. And if we go back, We're back in the app. Let's see what else we have going on here. Schedule an appointment. And I think that should be a phone number. Yes, it is a phone number. It wants to see right here. Click to make a phone call. Immediately, the app will prompt you to make a phone call directly, so you don't have to look up for any phone numbers. So it's that convenience of bridging your offer with your potential customers. And that is why this tool is so powerful and so wonderful. When you think about the whole COVID shutdown and the fact that a lot of you small business owners, and trust me, I've been in your shoes myself, when you launch a product, when you have a store, dealing with marketing and investing into putting the right processes in place and systems in place, it's almost like the last thing that you want to deal with, because you constantly want to be in front of your customers. You're building. And what you forget is that you really have to spend time, resources, and energy on building the right infrastructure, so that when things like COVID happen, you don't have to panic and start looking for Band-Aid type of solutions, but instead you basically seamlessly switch over to a digital support, online offers, and you keep going at it, and you keep working with your marketing, and you're still connected with your customers. So this app is yet another platform that you can utilize to kind of bridge the gap if you have it. A lot of you only utilize social media, which is wonderful, but you know how difficult it is to be visible, successful, to have the right engagement. You have to be constantly in it. You have to understand the algorithms. You have to be a designer to a degree. You have to be a photographer to a degree. It's not just the app. It's not just this amazing tool that allows us to create these offers for free. It's really connecting the local business community and creating almost like a digital network of people that help one another to recover, rebuild, because COVID is here. It's not going anywhere. You guys have heard it. The numbers in Florida keep rising. It's not to create any additional alarms. It's to simply remember that having a plan B is very important. It is really a survival thing. Just in case there's a new set of directives that we have to limit the amount of service we provide, that you may have to close the store, that we may have to shut down again. Well, in that case, you will already have a landing page on this app if you don't have your own. If you don't have a website that's fully mobile, a website that allows you to take orders, a website that allows you to, that is clickable and mobile, that allows people to connect with you with that one click of a button. We do it all. And just to close it all up, you guys, and certainly I'll have more webinars about this tool and what we're planning on creating categories of services and support lines that we will be doing for all of the business owners. All of that is coming, but the great thing, let me go into manage and show you, as of today, we already have 500 customers. That's absolutely unbelievable. So that is basically you having access to over 500 people that are on this app. And so if you have any questions about how your business can be listed in our database, don't hesitate to reach out. Post messages and comments as soon as we make this live on Facebook. Reach out to us directly. We would love to talk to you. We'd love to help you out. And like I said, this is a two-way street. Let's all help each other. We are creating really a seamless digital networking community of business owners that can help one another, but also creating a platform where customers can look up the best offers. So even with that little minimal, maybe financial resources they may have, they're still able to purchase something, support a business of their choice, and so on and so forth. Okay, have a good one. We'll chat with you guys soon. Bye.